Alright, this is the satin pillowcase by Kitsch. And this comes in king size, and it says it's just one piece. I got this pillowcase to help keep the tangles out of my hair. Oh yeah. Oh, it feels really soft and smooth. I'm going to put it on my pillow and show you guys. Okay, this pillowcase was a snug fit. It did take some work getting the pillowcase onto the pillow. It wasn't horrible, but it did take some work to wiggle it in and smush it in. And it was a little bit of work to get the zipper all the way closed as well. But I do like the fact that it has a small zipper. And it's better. It makes the pillow look fluffier when it's a tight fit. So this was really smooth, looks super pretty. I can't wait to see how it keeps the tangles out of my hair.